guys, today I have breaking sad news. So you see Woody, right? His string broke. So today is going to be a coming back video to Woody so he can talk again, but we're going to put a new string on him so that doesn't happen, hopefully. He just broke. I don't know. But we'll fix him. And let's do this. Okay, so in this video today, we will be opening our poor little Woody Woodpecker talking doll. He must have had a rough life. So, I don't even know what happened. I just think that knot is over 69 years old. So I just think that the string, just look how frayed the string is. So we're going to putting it on with new stuff. We don't know what happens. But this is a comeback video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, let's get started. So we're going to start by taking off the clothing. And sorry if I don't have a good camera view. Now, Mom will be the one who puts the clothes back on. So let's just fast forward this. Okay, so here we have our Woody Woodpecker. His suit comes off all the way now. Since his string is not on, there, that's a better view. Okay, so here we have him all out of his clothes again, but now it can come off easier since the string's not on. Sorry about that. So let's unstitch this guy and take the voice box out. Now I just fast forward this. Oh, before I do, I just want to let you know that this is a seam ripper you can buy at Walmart or a craft store. Any of these, so you just pull in and then it cuts the cloth. So let's change the hand camera angle to go over him. Literally, that's perfect. Just like that. Okay, guys, we got it open. So I just have one more stitch. Alright. So all my stitching I did before is gone. Here's our little stuffing that doesn't belong in here I put in before. I'll just fast forward getting this open. Alright, let's turn the camera angle. Okay. Alright. Let's just put this on. Okay, here we have our ankle. All right, so here is our voice box. So let's turn. Okay, that's perfect. So you hear that, guys? That is the spring around. But luckily, I know where the spring goes. It is by myself. And yeah, so he will get working. Yes. Yeah. So, it is all ready to go. You know what I'm thinking to do? So, basically, he's a very good talker. He's from 1963, I think. Let's look at the metallic little logo there. 1962 on the very bottom. 1962. So he is a talker, but I thought I was about to pull a string, but there is no string. So yeah. So what I'm about to show you is my string we are going to be using. It might be too thick, so we bought two. The first string is going to be stronger, better quality string. Then the older ones is black thread, so it can look like it's old. It looks just like it's getting frayed, like the other one is. Okay, but I think it'll still work. Okay, so you got a string there. It looks pretty much exactly the same. And the last thing we got is this string. But I do not think this is going to work because this string, well, it was my dad's response, but a lady at the store said this string will work better, but this string will not as good. I don't know why, maybe because of the stretchiness. I really don't know. So what I'm going to do is take this out of the package, so let's just do that right now. Oops. Okay, so we got a rounded string. For some reason there's one. Okay, that texture feels way more, way better than the old strings. And as you can see, we have a lot more than we need. This is definitely very much. We can cut it down to what we need. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is that now that that's unwound, I'm going to measure this string and see what size it needs to be, so we don't have to worry about it later on. All right, there. Is that a better angle? There. Okay, so here we have our string, and let's just measure it. I'll make it a tiny bit longer, just so we have extra string. All right, sorry if that camera angle is tilted, but that's as best as I could do. Okay, so we got our string here. Very long, it'll go off the camera, so I just have to measure it with it being off the camera a little. Sorry. Okay, so let's measure what size this has to be. Then we'll cut the string, but I'll make it a little longer so we have room for tying the knot. Because just remember, this will get shorter on the way along. So what I'm going to do for the knot is I'm going to make it this long. Okay, I'll straighten the view. That is better. Right, open it. Sorry, let's get my sword here a little bit. Alright, guys. Sorry. Okay. So now that we got our fancy little scissors. Okay. So, is Mom almost home? Okay, that is not good. Oh, okay. Alright, so now that is done, let's review the voice boxes a little bit. Okay, I know I reviewed this voice box before, but it always just inspires me how these things work. So like you know what? I'm actually gonna just put that over there because we did not need that because we got some new stuffing. So here we have our 1960s pull string voice box. There, is that better? There we go. All right, so here it is from the 1960s. Still looks pretty good. Sorry I cannot get on the whole camera. Okay, so there's no string to pull. It keeps tricking my eyesight that there's a string there. Yeah, so this thing will need some working to do. Also, like I said, this will not be a video about putting a new O-ring on. The doll works just fine. It talks good and everything. It's just Sally's poor little string broke. Look at all that. It's the plastic. Oops, I do not want to put that in the industry. Okay, is that it? Yep. Alright, so just remember this is from the 1960s, so this might look kind of crazy to you. That is exactly what I expected. So, here you go. Here you have the 1960s bowstring talking doll.